Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve exercise number 1.5. For the first question, we should know that what is the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. What is the determinant? Let A is equals to A, B, C and D be a 2 by 2 matrix the determinant of A denoted by determinant A or determinant of A is defined as determinant of A is equals to determinant. Now put the value of determinant matrix A, which is A, B, C and D. It will be equals to A, B, C and D. It will be equals to A, D minus B, C, which will be equals to lambda. Lambda belongs to real numbers. What it means? First of all, what is 2 by 2 matrix? 2 by 2 matrix means a matrix which has 2 rows and 2 columns. So we take a matrix A which has 2 rows and 2 columns. That means it is a square matrix A, B, C and D. You can take any entries. The determinant of A denoted by, there is a two way of denoted determinant of A. This is determinant of A and this is also determinant of A. Is defined as determinant of A will be equals to determinant and put the value of A, it will be equals to the this. To find the determinant of any matrix, put that matrix into the mod. Don't write matrix. If you write these braces, these brackets, this cannot be count the determinant, it will be the matrix. So when you solve any determinant, you should write the mod. Okay, and the way to solve a determinant is that multiply the diagonal entries. First multiply the first entry A multiplied by D, which is AD, then minus is the minus is used, it is the, we can say that it is the formula for the determinant. Okay, and then B into C. Okay, the value of AD minus BC is equals to lambda. What is lambda? Lambda may be any number which is real. You can say it is equals to U, it is equals to mu, it is equals to omega, it is equals to y, and that value will be belongs to real number. Actually, when we solve this, it means that it is a shortcut way that diagonal entries multiply and put the minus, but the real technique is put A and don't write this row and this column. A, what is the inside is? Inside is only entry is D, so put the D. Then put B. The first is positive and second is negative, so put negative here. B. Now don't count this row and this column. The only entry is C. Okay, that's why we write AD minus BC, which is equals to lambda. Now we know that what is the determinant of any matrix. Now we can easily solve question number 1 of exercise number 1.5. And the question number 1 is equals to find the determinant of the following matrices. First part is matrix A is equals to -1, 1, 2 and 0. So we take determinant of A is equals to determinant of -1, 1, 2 and 0, and it will be equals to -1 into 0 minus 1 into 2. It will be equals to 0 minus 2, which is equals to 2. So we can say that determinant of A is equals to -2. Now we will solve second part, and the second part is B is equals to 1, 3, 2 and -2. Determinant of B is equals to 1, 3, 2, -2, which is equals to 1 into -2 minus 3 into 2. It will be equals to -2 minus 6, and it is equals to -8. So we can say determinant of B is equals to -8. The third part is C is equals to 3, 3, 2 and 2. Determinant of C is equals to determinant of 3, 3, 2 and 2. It will be equals to 3 into 2 minus 2 into 3. It will be equals to 6 minus 6. This is equals to 0. So we can say that determinant of C is equals to 0. Now solve the last part. The fourth part is D is equals to 3, 1, 2 and 4, and determinant of D is equals to 3, 2, 1 and 4, which is equals to 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 12 minus 2, and it is equals to 10. So we can say that determinant of D is equals to 10. This is the answer of fourth part, and the question number 1 is complete. In this video, we learned the definition of what is the determinant of a matrix and solve the question number 1 of exercise number 1.5. Now we know that what is the determinant. Determinant is the sign of determinant is this or this if we find the determinant of matrix A, and A is any matrix of 2 by 2 order, and to get determinant we multiply the diagonal entries with each other. First write A11 with the B22, then put minus, and then write A12 multiplied by B21. Okay, in this way we can easily get the determinant of that matrix. We solve question number 1 of exercise number 1.5. To solve question number 6, to solve question number 2 of exercise number 1.5, watch my next video. Allah Hafiz.